Yo you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have another little jewelry piece we found online, and yeah, I was pretty curious when I saw it, so I had to order it. It's again inspired by Thomas Sabo, which is a jewelry brand from Germany, I think. And as you can see here, we have this necklace jewelry piece. It's a scorpion, and if you're asking me, definitely pretty cool looking piece, looking pretty similar to the original one. Got all these little black stones in the top, on the tail as well. In the bottom, they saved some material, obviously, because they want to save some silver material. But in general, looking pretty sick. Um, Also, little cute little legs, and everything else is finished quite nicely. And you can save quite some money here. We paid like 10 bucks, I think, for this piece. The Thomas Sabo version is coming in at around 380, I think, these days. Um, Sometimes also kind of hard to find because it is from older collection, the Rebel Heart piece. Um, and yeah, I think it looks pretty sick. Check it out yourself. If that's something you like in. And I would say we'll see each other in the next video. Until then, take care. Have a good day. My name is Badger. I'm out. And until then, bye bye.